Hello, this is Robert Little with the Robert Little Group at RE/MAX Advantage, and welcome to my latest video. Today, I want to talk about helping first-time homebuyers buy their first home. Helping first-time homebuyers is something that my team loves to do. We've helped hundreds of buyers over the years, and helping first-time homebuyers is something we specialize in. I want to talk about a few of the steps, if you've never bought a home, that we can guide you through. First off, we want to sit down and talk about your needs and wants. What type of home are you looking for? What area? We want to make sure we answer any questions, go over the market, and so forth. Next, if you need financing, we'll set you up with a lender. We work with some great mortgage lenders that provide great advice and can talk about different programs to get you into that home at a comfortable payment that you can afford. Next, we want to get you set up on an MLS search. Getting set up on an MLS search is very important. We can tailor it to exactly what you're looking for. That way you can see all the available properties that come up, especially as soon as they hit the market, because our market is pretty hot, so we want to make sure we jump on them as soon as they hit the market and go look. Next, once we identify some potential properties, we'll go looking. It's a lot of fun to go look at homes. Sometimes we find the right home on the first day, sometimes it takes weeks. Once we find that right home, we want to look at what recent sales are in the area comparable to that home. That'll help us determine the best offer to make on that home. Once we have an accepted offer, we'll guide you through the complete escrow process, which usually takes about 30 to 45 days, help you along with the home inspection, title work, home warranties, communicate with the lender. All these things are part of our job. And last, you don't pay us a dime. The seller pays us for our services. So if you're looking to buy your first home, please give us a call. My team would love to help you. It's something we specialize in and enjoy doing. My contact information is below, and we look forward to helping you. Have a great day. Thanks.